Shoemaker 2013, what's new? So, like 2012, we're able to bring in Illustrator files. So we're able to just select these Illustrator files and import them. The new feature of these Illustrator files is that we're now able to select a new icon called the Skew Stencil icon. So if I just select that, I'm able to grab the handles at the sides of this Illustrator file and skew them. So I'm able to drag them into any new position I want. And as you can see, this sort of distorts the stencil and pulls it over the last. So I'm now able to pull each area individually. So once I've got it into the correct position, all I need to do is press the wrap tool like we did it in 2012. So these vectors are now being wrapped onto the last. And once this is done, we're able to use some more new tools that have been added to Shoemaker 2013. So if I come out of the wrap toolbar and select any line, I'm able to drag these lines. And this is simply by just holding down the left mouse button and pulling and moving these lines around. So I'm also able to hold down the Control key and again drag these lines, and this will copy and drag a line. So as you can see, this is very useful for duplicating lines and adding in new design lines very quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that line. And I'm also going to show you that we're now able to use something called the V key. So this allows me to maybe draw some bite lines for the sole design, and if I just start drawing a line around the bottom of the last, once I get to an area where I want to move, I can press the V key and it will zoom into that area and move around the last. So again, if I move to the front and hold down the V key, it pans the last right round to the front. So it's very quick and very useful to draw lines all the way around the front, all the way around the last, sorry. Okay. Okay, so that is the V key. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the offset line tool. Just like in Shoemaker before, we were able to offset lines, but we've now got a new dialog box that enables us to see more clearly the offset of the line. So if I just select this line here that I've just made, select the offset line tool, then you can see we've got this new dialog box here. So we've got this plus or minus icon, so this allows me to tell the line whether I want it in front or behind of the original line. And we've also got the minus or plus for the line itself, the distance, how far it is from the original line. So I've also got another tool where I can create another. So this creates me another line that is -9, so I can again go plus or minus from the original line. Okay? Okay, so that is the offset line tool dialog box, and that is what's new for the design lines.